Hello, everybody. Welcome once again. This is the daily devotional of Inspired Evidence, a book written by Bruce Malone and Julie Von Vet. It's October 25, and today's reading is inspired by microbiology. The news media often promotes evolutionary discoveries in a way that can best be called exaggerations, but in reality are simply deceptive. An example is the 2010 announcement that science had succeeded in producing life in the lab from non-living chemicals. This was typical of the media spin on the research. Dr. Craig Venter and his team have built the genome of a bacterium from scratch and incorporated it into a cell to make what they call the world's first synthetic life form. You have to study the actual research to learn that the single-celled organism they produced was neither made from scratch nor synthetic. First, they used DNA from a living cell as a template. Second, they used yeast cells to bring DNA fragments together because human science produces DNA fragments 100,000 times smaller than needed for life. Third, they used a living cell to proofread the resulting DNA and correct errors. Fourth, the DNA was useless until placed inside another living cell with the thousands of other chemicals and processes needed to keep it alive. Wow. In the end, they had to rely on 3 different living single-celled organisms in order to produce their synthetic from scratch life form. What was proven once again was the theoretical law of abiogenesis is not valid. That theory says that life can arise spontaneously from non-life molecules under proper conditions. In reality, life only comes from pre-existing life. Wow, that's so cool. Interesting. That concludes the reading, but let's read the scripture quote. Today is Matthew 19:4. And he answered and said unto them, have you not read that he which made them at the beginning made them male and female? Ooh, there you go. That's all. So my battle today was, one, I'm trying to fight my acne. I went to the dermatologist and got prescribed 2 medications. 3 creams and 1 antibiotic pill. And it's drying up my skin so bad. But nonetheless, I feel like it's working because I see less pimples. Another thing I wanted to show you guys. I went shopping and I bought these jelly beans my kids wanted. And I was like, why? And they were like, yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's buy it. It's got all these weird flavors. And we bought it and it's pretty cool actually. It's a game, but it's called this, look. It's Bean Boozled. And you can play it. It's got a spinner. You spin it and you pick your jelly bean and you try it. Anyways, we didn't play with the spinner. We just went around in a circle and ate one and then just decided whether to barf it in the trash or eat it. But some of the flavors, look at this. It's got burnt rubber, licorice, wet dog, top banana, toothpaste, old bandage, dead fish, cappuccino, booger, liver and onions, strawberry banana smoothie, barf, peach. You get it, right? Anyways, I haven't tried all of them, but the worst one I tried of the worst ones, I tried the wet dog and the old bandage. The wet dog, why do I know how does a wet dog taste like? Weird, but it tasted like a wet dog. But the worst one, wait, I told my kids I thought the worst one was a wet dog, but I tried the old bandage and the old bandage was the worst one. Oh my God, it was horrible. Don't say the Lord's names in vain. That was horrible. But my favorite one was the strawberry banana smoothie. Anyways, this is a fun game, guys. You gotta get it. Where did we get this at? Marshall's. $4.99. Pretty cool, pretty entertaining. And it's Dare to Compare. It contains weird and wild flavors. God bless you guys. Bye.